Hi, hello, what's going on? What's up, folks? This is King Zach $1,000,000 bar share. Today is another making money video. What I'm gonna show you here is very simple way to make money online. Is what I actually discovered just today, and I realized that this is the most easiest way to make money online. So what I did was I decided to do this video here to show you how to make money with this secret new website that I'm going to show here in this video. If you're new to watching this video, I'll urge you please go ahead and smash the subscribe button, because I'm doing videos like this every single day showing different ways to make money online. And I don't want you to like my video here until I give it a value. Okay, if at the end of the video you learn something, then you can go ahead and give me a like for this video. Okay, what I'm going to show works everywhere, is worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you're coming from, this is actually gonna work for you. All that you need to get started to make money online with this new method I'm about to show here is a computer, an internet connection, and maybe your phone or maybe your tablet. Okay, and I know you're probably watching me on your mobile phone, right? If you're watching me on your mobile phone, please comment below watching on the mobile phone. If you're watching on tablet, comment watching on tablet. If you're watching on PC or your personal computer, type in the comment section watching on PC. Okay, I want to know how many of my folks here are watching me based on their devices. Okay, so what I'm gonna here is this my YouTube channel so far, and you see I have a ton of video here to make money online, showing different ways to make money online. But what I mostly do is affiliate marketing. Okay, that's my primary objective here. Okay, all what I do for my most income here is affiliate marketing, and I do have a lot of videos here covering how to make money with affiliate marketing. So if you want to make money with affiliate marketing, you can browse my channel name, maybe come to my playlist. I have affiliate marketing playlist for you, which you can watch a whole lot of video how to make affiliate marketing work for you. Okay, so the website I'm gonna show here is, everybody comes to this website here. Okay, Picoworkers. Okay, Picoworkers is a legit platform that is gonna pay you tons of money just performing a simple task. Okay, and what I've discovered is a lot of folks out here, when it comes to Picoworkers, they try to use VPN for this website, but I would recommend that you don't use VPN, because if you're trying to use VPN, your account is gonna be blocked. Okay, because Picoworkers here, they are very smart company, they are always tracking you. Okay, so the reason why I recommend not to use VPN, because I tried this out last year, I think so, and I was using VPN and I didn't make any money. Okay, because of the VPN, and later on my account got blocked. Okay, they banned me from VPN for Picoworkers. So this is a new account that I created, and without using VPN, it's working out great for here. So I recommend you don't use any VPN. Okay, so what you're gonna do Picoworkers, what you're gonna do first is you're gonna create an account. Okay, and create an account is very simple. Sorry, I'm not gonna walk you through that. Not that I don't want to walk you through, but it's very simple. I mean, very simple. Okay, even a 3 can even create an account with Picoworkers. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna log into my account here. Okay, and I'm gonna walk you through the step-by-step process to set everything up in this video. So I'll urge you, please watch this video to the end so you won't miss any important thing. Okay, because as I'm speaking, as I'm showing here, I'll be mentioning certain things that if you will be skipping this video, you actually gonna lose it all. Okay, and at the end of the video, you're not gonna make any money, and I think that's BS, right? So watch the video to the end so you won't miss any other important thing. Okay, so here we are on my Picoworkers dashboard here. Okay, as I said, this is a new account, and if you actually been following me to this point on this video, create an account, you're gonna see something very similar like this on the screen. And but if you're new here, what you're gonna see is your background here is not gonna be dark as you see on my screen here. Okay, it's gonna be maybe white or light background. Okay, and it's a simple setting that I just made, and just clicking on this button here, it changes to white or dark background. So it doesn't matter if you want to use dark background, it's okay, but that's not the main objective for this video. What you're gonna do is how to make money using or utilizing Picoworkers. So as you can see right here, we have a lot of offers here. As you can see, this offer in plus or this offer here is paying out how much this is the amount is paying out here, and this offer is paying out $1 over $1 here. Okay, as you can see, this is the amount that you're gonna get paid performing a simple task here or completing a simple task on Picoworkers. Okay, so it's very simple to make a lot of money here, and let's see if you have other offers that paying a lot of money. Okay, but based on the country that you're coming from, there are offers that are targeting specific countries, like United States, for example. Offers based on the United States is paying out up to $5, $10. So in my country here, we have a pay rate. Okay, that's why there are $1 cents just a small amount of money here, but based on the country you can make, you can get a lot of money with this on Picoworkers here. So I want to recommend that you don't use VPN. That's all that I recommend. You do not use VPN. Don't use VPN. Okay, so let's say we want a big money here, so we're gonna select this offer right here. We're just paying on $1 here. Okay, and what we're gonna do to make this $1 is very simple, and that's what I'm gonna show you. So it's better you stick to me to the whole of this video. Okay, so what we're gonna do is click on the offer here. This is more for sign up plus auto KYC, new offer, new users only. Okay, that's the offer name we're using here. So as you can see, this is the offer that we're gonna work on. Okay, this is the offer name here. Okay, and this is the amount being paid. Okay, that's all it is. And I'm gonna show you there's certain things you really understand before you promote or before you work with this offer here. As you can see, this is the instruction for you to get started with the offer here. Okay, it says we don't want to hold anything here, so that's not important. But what is important for you to actually realize and pay attention is what is expected from workers. Okay, so you're gonna read a whole lot of this stuff here. Okay, there are a lot of, I think there are some in there. Let's scroll down and see if we have more information there. Okay, so here we have a whole lot of a whole information on how to work with this offer to get paid on Picoworkers here. Okay, but what I want you to pay very close attention, guys, is, as you can see, required proof for task was finished. Okay, it is required proof that task was finished. Okay, that's very important. And what we're gonna do here is this offer here. Okay, this offer, I'm sorry, I got a phone call. Okay, so what is gonna happen is actually this offer here, we're gonna complete this offer, and for you to make the whole money on Picoworkers with this offer here is come over here and read the instructions right here. Okay, as you can see, what is expected from workers right here. And step 1 is open a new window with no other sites. Okay, so we're gonna open a new tab and we're gonna go to this website. This is the website URL that they want us to go. Okay, so you're gonna copy out this website URL here and you're gonna paste it in a new tab. Okay, and as you go on, this is the instruction, that's the 7-step instruction for you to actually be successful working with offer here. Okay, so this is very important. And after that, what you're gonna do next is you actually gonna scroll down and let me get rid of this noise on my screen. Okay, and what to do to get paid here is these 2 steps. Okay, this is very important. So after completing the steps above, then you come over here and you're gonna submit a screenshot request to be taken as step 5 with time and date visible. Okay, so that means that you're gonna submit a screenshot and an email address used to sign up. Okay, so that's what they require from you to actually prove that you actually completed the task. Okay, and that's all there is to it. And for it to actually work for you, you're gonna submit this as a screenshot. So you're gonna select and you're gonna upload your screenshot you made by clicking on this button here, and after that you're gonna put in type your comments here and the email that is requested on step 2 here. Okay, so you're gonna type the email you used to sign up for the website here, and after that you're gonna click on submit proof. Okay, this is submit proof, and that is actually all there is to this video, and you're gonna get approved. And if you actually did the work effectively, then Picoworkers is gonna actually pay you how much? $1 and a few cents right here, just completing this offer. This is the easiest way to make money online. That's good way online so far, and it's very easy. If you think you can make money, or if you think you're following me, or if you think you like this video, I urge you please go ahead and smash that like button, and I'll be doing more videos show you different ways to make money online.